Hey, here's the tutorial for inserting cards into SUNCOMM routers CP520, X75. Open the card slot. Take out our SIM cards. Check the front and back sides, as well as the areas with missing corners. Card 1, chip facing down, not located near the port. Once inserted, the machine will give a feedback indicating that it is properly clamped. The card chip is facing upwards, and the gap is at the antenna area. Okay, let's lay the machine flat and demonstrate it again. Insert the card chip facing upwards. After installing the fixing screws, you can use it. Now let's talk about the X75. The X75 and the CP520 are quite similar. The card insertion method is the same as well. The second picture shows the chip facing upwards. The difference is that SIM1 and SIM2 are opposite to each other. The router does not operate simultaneously with two cards. You can choose one card and another backup card. If the card being used malfunctions, the router will automatically select the other card. To ensure that the network connection remains uninterrupted, enter the backstage, select the card you need, and then proceed with the work.